You're not cutting that out. Second. Right, so today what we're going to do is I'll just show you around a few of my Rent HMOs, what they look like, what sort of room rates you can achieve, high demand area and stuff like that. So we're going to see a few HMOs, go from there. So we've got HMO up here, so 5-bed. Yeah, 5-bed HMO just up there on the left. So here's one of my Rent HMOs. This profits me about £600 profit a month. 5-bed and fully tenanted, high demand area. So yeah, come on in. Communal space through there. Bedroom number 1. This is a single, this is for rent. Very small kitchen, you know, very small kitchen, but it's all about the area. If it's in a high demand area, people pay for the convenience, you know. You're not cutting that out. Second bathroom shower. Is one of the largest doubles. Yeah, £700 for a room is what people pay, all bills included. They pay for the convenience. On to the next room. Single room there. Tenant in situ. Another single room is what it is, really. You know, they have a desk, nice and bright, wardrobes, and this is already rented. So now we'll go see another HMO, show you around that place. What you want to do is have lock boxes on all of your properties on a tether as well, so your cleaner can't take your keys, tenants can't take your keys. So every new tenant that you move in, they know, you know, that the key is in this box, and the new tenant can let themselves in, get their set of keys, which are in another internal lockbox. So then you don't even have to visit the property to allow a new tenant to move in. Top floor, double room. As you can see, it's not the prettiest of houses. Just inject a bit of colour, as long as it's clean, fit for purpose. Although this room is not clean. She's clearly in the process of moving out, but this room's already let. As soon as she moves out, I'll have it professionally cleaned. New tenant move back in. So yeah, how would you feel if you rented a place like this? I pay £2,200 a month in rent. Rent the rooms out individually, and I make £600 profit every single month. So here's another 5-bed HMO. Come on in, have a look. Quite often the case is that a bathroom is on the back of a kitchen. So we refurbish that bathroom, have a look. And then come into the kitchen. Quite a nice sized communal kitchen. Come on through. First bedroom there, which has got a tenant in. Nice sized communal space. You know, is what it is. Sometimes it's really important to have the communal space. Come on upstairs. Sunglasses inside. Don't trip on the stairs, bride. First room is a single. Second room. First one downstairs was a double. Tenant still in situ. This is a single. Number 3. Got a tenant in. It's a double. It's a really good sized double room here. Huge wardrobes. Nice bright room. Double bed. Yeah, this is a good room. You can charge a lot for this room. This room's the best room in the house. It's quite private. Feels like it's got its own entrance. Come on up here. Got a Velux window. Really nice and private. You wouldn't hear any of the other tenants in this room, so this one rents out all the time. Tenants just left, ready for the next tenant. So this one is a 5-bed HMO. This generates about £740 profit a month. Stay tuned, we'll go to the next Rent HMO. So this is another Rent HMO. This is a 4-bed. The tenants are in here, so we won't go in the rooms, we'll just go into the communal spaces. Double room there. Communal area, so first impressions, it's quite dark. Not much natural light. Nice sized kitchen. Really steep garden. Quite a wild garden. But first impressions, it's quite dark. Not a lot of natural light, but yet they still take these rooms because it's all about the location. Three more rooms upstairs with a nice bathroom. So this is a 4-bed HMO, makes me about £600 profit a month on a 4-bed, and because it's only a 4-bed, it's not really a HMO, even though it is a HMO licensed property. They're all great friends. They treat it like a home. It looks like a home. It's quite clean. It's completely different to all of my other student rent-to-rent HMOs. Yeah, it's a nice little property, that one. On to the next then. So let's go. This is the last one I'll show you today. This is 7-bed HMO. Come on, have a look. Again, another tether. It's quite a large house, this one. Large bathroom with walk-in shower. Communal areas downstairs. Huge kitchen. Didn't require too much work in this place. We just added a bit of colour to the kitchen wall. Put a nice clock on the wall. Come through here. This was a very dark and dingy room. The only way we could really brighten it up is to add a lot of colour. And we added nice colourful triangles on the wall. So yeah, this is a nice communal space. It's at the bottom of the house, so it's, they can be social in here and not disturb the neighbours. Large back garden. Always account for a gardener as well. Yeah, all the tenants are in situ, so won't be able to go into any of the rooms today. But yeah, it's quite a large property. Okay, so that was the last one of the day, and the properties you've seen today, why did the landlord accept my offer? It's because I go in with my best offer, my first and last offer. So when they come back and say, can you improve on your offer? There's been other offers on the property. You go back and say, no, I'm afraid that is my best and final offer. So don't waste time negotiating. Make sure it meets your minimum profit margins and just go for it. Don't mess estate agents about. Don't mess landlords about by upping your offer by 150 quid here this week, £150 here next week. Just go in with your best and final offer. Make it a personable offer. And that's why I had all of these rent-to-rents you've seen today, offers accepted as a brand new business. No track record, never done property before, nothing to showcase, no rent up front, no commitments. Just went in with my best and final offer, and that's why you get offers accepted. Cool, let's go home. This is how you get a car like this.